I recently found this Soul Luxury Brazilian Soul Body Butter. It is pistachio and caramel scented, and let me tell you, this is amazing. Okay, for only $1.25, girl, get you some. So when I saw this, I immediately thought about the Sol de Janeiro. Sol de Janeiro. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. The Brazilian body butter. I thought, I'm like, it's probably going to be watery, don't have a really good scent, all of that. But let me tell you. So it smells really good. Now, I won't say that it smells expensive, and I can't really say how, but it does have a nice scent. It smells very similar to the Brazilian Mist by Power Stick. You can pair this together actually with the two. And besides the scent's nice in my opinion. I would give this scent maybe an 8 for like a lotion body butter. And then if you look at that consistency, the consistency is pretty good. It's not watery. Normally cheap products, like I normally don't go cheap for my lotions or my soap. Products like that, I normally don't go cheap. Body spray, soap, and lotions I normally would pass at the dollar store if they don't have a special inventory of neighboring products. But this, the consistency is not watery at all. It's almost as nice as any other body butter you would get. Like, your skin will be nice and moisturized. You'll even have a little glow. You won't have a huge glow, but it even gives you a little glow. I'm going to show you how it looks once you apply it. Let's try this area and see if we can see a difference on camera. So I feel like there's a difference. If you see, it looks nice and hydrated. It even has a slight glow. And if you want to have like that real glow, you can just pair this with an oil. Say you don't have money to buy like even drugstore products like Nivea. Nivea is really good too for an affordable lotion. That's one of my favorite body lotions. But say you don't have money for that, or you don't have money for the actual Brazilian body butter, you can get some vitamin E oil and apply it with this. So you apply this first. You apply this Brazilian Soul first, and then add an oil like vitamin E oil. They have that as well at the store, at the dollar store, for the same price. And apply it after, and you'll have a nice smelling body and a nice glowy complexion. You'll have a nice glowy look. This actually smells better than I thought. It smells pretty much like what it says, pistachio and caramel. In my opinion, it doesn't smell extremely expensive, but it has a nice scent. I do love the packaging. This actually has been lasting me quite a bit, and I use this all over my body, my legs, shoulders, arms, all of that. I put this on and I haven't had any problems with it, and the shape is so cute. Very, very similar to the Brazilian body butter, the original one. So you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. All right, and if you want to see me review any other product that may be similar to this, leave that in the comments as well. Bye bye.